You have probably watched this recent video of Tom Scott which is going viral. Basically, the title of the video says the number of views that the video currently has. Yep, it does look like magic, doesn't it? So I thought I should try this too because I was impressed by this idea and I was curious. I just want to do it too. And I did. You can see that the title of this video says how many views and likes this video currently has. The numbers may not match exactly in most of the cases, because sometimes YouTube may not update the real-time views in order to filter out views from spam accounts. But you can see how close the numbers are. If you did not watch the video of Tom Scott yet, I would suggest you to go watch it. Because not only the video title trick is awesome, his words in the video are inspiring too.
Time and tide will wash them away a long time in the future. This too shall pass. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't build things anyway. Because just because something is going to break in the end doesn't mean that it can't have an effect that lasts into the future. Joy, wonder, laughter, hope, the world can be better because of what you built in the past. And while I do think that the long-term goal of humanity should be to find a way to defeat entropy, I'm pretty sure no one knows where to start on that problem just yet. So until then, try and make sure that the things you're working on pushes in the right direction. They don't have to be big projects. They might just have an audience of one. And even if they don't last, try to make sure they leave something positive behind. And yes, at some point, the code that's updating the title of this video will break. Maybe I'll fix it, maybe I won't, but the code was never the important part.
Though this trick looks like magic, this is very simple, and anyone with a little programming experience will be able to do it, because of a concept called API, Application Program Interface. You can just send one request to an API asking for what you want, and the API gives you what you ask for. Of course, only if you ask for things that you are allowed to have access to. Fortunately, YouTube does have an API using which we can make this trick work easily. Alright, let me brief you how this works. After every minute, I make a request to YouTube Data API querying the statistics of this video. The response from the API will contain the number of views, likes, dislikes, comments, etc. of this video. I then send another request to YouTube Data API asking it to update the title of this video such that the title includes the number of views the video currently has. I then make my script run on cloud. That's it. That's how it's done. It took me hardly 3 hours to get this working, provided that I'm a newbie when it comes to using YouTube Data API, and I'm also not a professional programmer. So, as Tom Scott said,
the code was never the important part.